video will take you step by step through the ivy installation process. The screen and the screen ring come pre-assembled from the factory. It is designed so that you can replace the screen if it ever gets damaged. Everything to assemble your rain barrel comes with it and is included in the bottom of the barrel. Be sure to read and understand all of the instructions before beginning. The kit includes an overflow hose, 2 releasable zip ties, an overflow cap, and a threaded ball valve. The zip ties are releasable and are used to lock down the lid. The cap and the overflow hose are interchangeable. There is a pre-installed rubber gasket in the threaded port where the ball valve goes. It may be red, black, or even green. Be sure it's in place. The ball valve has 2 different thread patterns. When installed properly, the lever will point away from the rain barrel. Hand tighten it as far as you can. Do not use tools to tighten the ball valve. This may damage the threads. It is okay if the valve is not in the exact 12 o'clock position when fully installed. Select a downspout that gives you convenient access near plants that need the water the most. Before installing, examine your downspout to see if it runs into a drain pipe. If so, measure your downspout and buy the correct size, color, and elbow at the home improvement store. There are flex downspouts available that will also do a good job. Blocks can be purchased and there are many options on the market. Installing your ivy rain barrel will require the following tools: tape measure, needle nose pliers, screwdriver, hacksaw, gloves, safety glasses, marker, and a piece of scrap cardboard. By this point, your ivy rain barrel should be fully assembled. Make sure the ground is level and stable where you want to install it. It will weigh over 420 pounds when full. You can use gravel under the block if the ground is soft. Now remove the bottom elbow. Most times it is secured with 1 or 2 screws. Be sure and save all your parts. Ensure the base is wider than the bottom diameter of ivy, which is 18 inches. Here we use an 8 by 12 inch blocks. They're inexpensive, strong, and they look great. Once the blocks are level, place ivy on them and measure where to cut your downspout. If you live in a cold climate and have heated downspouts, stop here and call a professional to help you with that. Hold the elbow up, leaving room between the bottom of the elbow and the lid of the rain barrel. Make a mark about 2 inches from the top of the elbow. Next, put on your safety glasses and gloves. It's time to do some cutting. Place a piece of scrap cardboard behind the gutter to protect your home. Cutting your downspout will be the trickiest part of the installation, but don't be intimidated. Hold the gutter firmly and begin cutting. It will be loud, but take your time. Remove the cut piece of downspout and any other hardware. Be sure and save these parts for winterizing your system. Place ivy back on the blocks. Use your needle nose pliers to crimp the 4 corners of the downpipe and slide the elbow onto the outside of the freshly cut downpipe. Secure the elbow with 2 of the saved screws. Last but not least, make sure that the overflow pipe is pointed away from your home's foundation. You are now ready to collect and use your rainwater.